Hey telehealth providers, this is Sal from the Future PT, and today we're going to talk about lighting. So I know that lighting can be really confusing. There's a lot of products out there, they're expensive. So today we're going to take it back to basics. So we are going to use the most accessible form of light that we have that's totally free, a window. First up is backlighting. Avoid this. I know you want to show off your view, but the issue is if you expose for the background, you're going to be dark. And if you expose for your face, the background turns completely white. Not a good look either way. Next is front lighting. This is much better as you are now exposed correctly. While this view is fine, it makes the lighting very flat and a little boring. What I prefer to do is stand at 45 degrees to the light source, as this creates a bit of shadow, which I think is more interesting and looks higher quality. And that's pretty much it. If you like the tips that we shared today and you want to learn a little bit more about lighting, why don't you leave some comments down below about exactly what you want to learn, and we'll make some videos for you. Be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, give us a like and a share, and we'll see you in the future.